Welcome back to Wheels and Meals. Today, we're preparing a simple weekday meal prep recipe that you can whip up in just 15 to 20 minutes. Butterfly some chicken fillets. Prepare 1 or 2 potatoes by slicing them thinly, almost like chips. Marinades start with about a teaspoon each of crushed ginger and garlic. Our kitchen favorites: add Cajun spice, mixed herbs, rosemary, and chicken spice. Mix well until all the ingredients are evenly coated. If you don't have these spices on hand, be sure to add them to your grocery list. Heat your frying pan and add a bit of oil. As we know, butter makes everything better. We add oil so that the butter doesn't burn. Add some onions and fry until they turn translucent. Add the marinated chicken fillets and a few sprigs of fresh thyme for an amazing aroma. Cover the pan and let the chicken cook until it develops a nice crust. Once the chicken is nicely seared, add the potato slices. After the water from the chicken evaporates, flip both the chicken and potatoes to ensure even cooking. Continue cooking until the potatoes are soft. And that's it. You're ready to serve a hot, fresh meal that's quick, scrumptious, and perfect for meal prep. This dish is not only delicious for dinner, but also great to store and reheat for lunch. I hope you enjoy this video. Please share your feedback if you try this recipe, and let us know if you'd like to see more videos like this. Don't forget to show your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing.